Everyone seems to be obsessed with cryptocurrency trading. After all, why not? Crypto is the way of the future. It is causing havoc not only in the financial industry, but also in other important industries such as information technology, healthcare, retail, tourism and travel, automotive, and many more. However, while owning Bitcoin sounds appealing, properly managing it isn't easy. Cryptocurrency trading is widespread, and many people want to know how it works. If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies, you've come to the correct place. This video will provide you with a comprehensive overview of Bitcoin trading. Hello, and welcome to Fiat Bear, where discussions are honeyrific. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to be notified of every upload. Many considerations and particular measures must be followed when trading cryptocurrency. Experts advise that before spending time and money on cryptocurrency trading, you should have a thorough understanding of cryptocurrencies, crypto exchanges, cryptocurrency security, and all of the relevant terminologies. In today's frantic cryptocurrency market, it's critical to keep the appropriate techniques in mind when making trading decisions, and to be aware of the risks that might arise at any time. Although cryptocurrency trading is not the same as stock market trading, some stock market trading techniques can be used in cryptocurrency trading. As a result, stock market knowledge can be helpful for adopting crypto trading. Let us first define the term trading before moving on to cryptocurrency trading. Trading can be described as the practice of purchasing and selling assets for a profit. Goods and services are examples of assets that can be exchanged between trading parties. We're talking about financial markets where financial instruments are traded. Stocks, money, cryptocurrencies, margin goods, and so on are examples of them. Trading is typically thought of as a short-term endeavor. Nevertheless, many people are misled by this notion. Later on, we'll go through the many sorts of trading, such as day trading, swing trading, and trend trading. Buying and selling cryptocurrencies on a crypto trading platform or exchange is known as cryptocurrency trading. Coinbase, Binance, CoinDCX, and others are some of the most prominent cryptocurrency trading platforms. The goal of Bitcoin trading is to produce lucrative results over a set period. Investing is not the same as trading. So, how do you tell the difference between trading and investing? Investing differs from trading in that trading focuses on making a profit in a short period, whereas investment focuses on holding assets for the long term. We must look for long-term patterns and ignore short-term swings in the market while making any investment. The primary purpose of Bitcoin investment is to obtain more coins. For example, if you buy 4 Bitcoins at a given price, the value of your entire asset will increase proportionally to the coin price after a few years. On the other hand, trading is concerned with short-term swings. Therefore, understanding the daily market is necessary while trading. The primary purpose is to earn money in dollars or other currencies. If you want to succeed in cryptocurrency trading, experts recommend learning about market trends and short-term price trends. It's more like buying low and selling high, and the patterns end up working to your advantage. To make the most money in Bitcoin trading, you'll need to drop coins frequently. Let us now look at the structure of the trade. The buyer and seller are combined in the trade framework. One will profit and the other will lose in trading. Simply put, if one individual profits from selling, the other will have a potentially minimal advantage. When it comes to cryptocurrency trading, keep in mind that one of the most important things to remember is to comprehend market movements to avoid significant losses. Because the crypto market is so volatile, it's best to invest just what you can afford to lose And if you're a beginner, you should seek advice from a professional. A certified cryptocurrencies trader is an expert in using market trends to manage the purchasing and selling of cryptocurrency. They are also aware of the trade structure and carrying out its commerce. If you're interested in learning more about crypto trading, you should consider the elements that influence market patterns. For example, when a large number of people place an order, the price usually rises. When consumers sell more than they buy, however, the price tends to fall. Let's look at various trading methods to better comprehend market movements. Hey there, pal. Before we go ahead and discuss the types of trading, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, and please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. 4 active trading tactics are commonly used in the stock market. An active trading strategy can be defined as the act of buying and selling securely while evaluating short-term market trends and profiting from market volatility. The majority of specialists believe that active trading differs from long-term methods of investors buying and retaining assets. Scalping, day trading, swing trading, and position trading are the 4 strategies. Let's go over them one by one. Let's begin with scalping. Scalping is a short-term trading practice many professionals use to make quick money. People retain the coins for a few minutes or seconds in this form of transaction. However, the profit is not as large as it is with other trading systems. The goal of scalping is to make modest profits that accrue over the day. When the market is extremely crowded, the best time to trade is when the possibilities of making a profit are most extraordinary. Scalping is a strategy used by professional Bitcoin traders and experts to profit from small price swings. Let's move on to day trading now. The assets are held for a day in this sort of Bitcoin trade. Intraday trading is a type of day trading in which traders enter and exit positions simultaneously. Fundamental technical analysis employing technical indicators that can help you understand current market conditions and identify trends is required in this trading style. This trading method likewise yields minor earnings, but it keeps you away from overnight market volatility. Day trading often lasts a few hours. Let's talk about swing trading now. People who use the swing trading approach keep their positions open for several days or weeks. This form of trading is based on short to intermediate term trends that last anywhere from 1 to 30 days. This trading method can be implemented by someone who is not active daily and devotes their time to their jobs. You won't have to worry about daily ups and downs in swing trading because you won't be holding the coin for more than a day. Keeping up with the trend and examining the daily analysis, on the other hand, will help you make the most money. Last but not least, we must not overlook position trading. This type of trading technique requires you to concentrate on long-term price movements. As a result, trading specialists take major price shifts into account to maximize profit. Because traders tend to hold positions for more extended periods, position trading is sometimes known as trend trading. In addition, monitoring weekly and monthly price charts will help you assess market patterns. Traders that employ this type of trading approach are unconcerned about modest price swings. In truth, they are only interested in essential market developments and will follow up on them. So depending on your needs and availability, you can choose from various Bitcoin trading tactics. Let's talk about the cryptocurrency trading steps now. Newbies must take the proper steps when it comes to cryptocurrency trading. Here are a few measures you can take to start your trading career. The first thing you need to do is to look for a cryptocurrency exchange. The initial step for a newcomer is to find the top Bitcoin exchanges. Some of the most well-known in this field are Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, CoinDCX, and Gemini. You must open a cryptocurrency brokerage account. It will be similar to creating an account with a stock brokerage firm. Also, make sure you include all of the relevant information. The following step is to fund your account. The next step is to fund your account after you've created one on any of the cryptocurrency exchanges. Using debit and credit cards as well as wire transactions, you can add money to your digital wallet with ease. Wire transfer is also one of the most effective ways to fill your account. Wire transfers are free on cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase and Gemini. You can now choose your cryptocurrency in the third step. Although other cryptocurrencies are available, most professional traders prefer Bitcoin and Ethereum. The rationale for this is that these cryptocurrencies are more stable than smaller coins. On the other hand, altcoins has seen a growth of nearly 1,000% in just a month, making them a viable trading choice. Now you must decide on a strategy. In Bitcoin trading, deciding on a trading strategy is crucial. As a result, you can earn significant returns in cryptocurrency trading by combining trading indicators with proper fundamental and technical analysis. However, if you are a newbie, it is recommended that you take a Bitcoin trading school and become an expert. Last but not least, keep your cryptocurrency safe. Finally, keep your cryptocurrency in a secure location. You can do this by using a digital wallet, which can be software or hardware. For preserving your digital assets, cryptocurrency wallets are strongly suggested. Hardware wallets provide a higher level of cryptocurrency security. We went over the fundamentals of cryptocurrency trading, including trading, the structure of cryptocurrency trading, several types of trading techniques, and how to get started with cryptocurrency trading on your own. If you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrency trading and blockchain technology, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and switch on notifications to be notified of new videos. Fiat Bear here, and we'll see you in our next video.